Welcome to this tutorial on editing your course navigation bar in Desire to Learn. So if, for example, you wanted to remove maybe one of the links or add another link to the navigation bar, which just refers to the buttons here at the top of your Desire to Learn page. Now these items are the default in every single one of your courses. So if, for example, this link here to the resources, the calendar, checklist, glossary, links, locker, and user progress, maybe in my course I wanted to remove this for some reason and replace this with maybe a link to the Desire to Learn resources page for students for some Desire to Learn help. So what I can do is if I do want to change one of the items here or add an item to the nav bar, all you have to do is go under what's called your Edit Course button here. So if we click Edit Course, it'll bring us into the course admin area. So under this first heading titled Site Setup, if we scroll over to the third item here, which is titled Navigation and Themes, what I can do is just click on that. And so it brings me into the nav bar area. So I can see that the active nav bar within the course right now is this course 2013 official nav bar. And I know that as well. So if I scroll over here to the far right, I can see a little green check mark here that shows me that this is the active one within the course. Now there's a couple of options for you. There's a little blue button here to create a new nav bar. You can select that. However, I do not recommend doing it this way because what happens is you would have to add the course home, the content, the assessments, communication, all the links that you do want to continue to use in your course. You'll have to re-add them. The easiest thing to do is to take the existing nav bar, which is this course 2013 official nav bar, and right next to where it says nav bar here, there's this little action button. So if I select that, I can select the second option here titled Copy. So what it does is it makes a copy of the existing nav bar and allows me to edit it. So all I have to do is just click on this course 2013 official nav bar copy, and then it brings me into an area here where I can go and you'll be able to see at the bottom here the links that are in the course. So we've got our course home, our content, the assessments, the communication, and the resources here. And then over on the right here, you've got your edit course and your help. So if, for example, I wanted to remove this resources link here, I can just click this little X here and it'll remove it from the nav bar that I'm creating. And there's a couple of other options here. You can add links. So if I pressed the Add Links button, it would allow me to add links from the course here these are links that are already within the course. So there's all different types of options here that you can add to your course. But maybe I want to provide a link to my students to an external site. So what I can do is I can create a custom link here. So if I press the create a custom link, it'll let me put in the name. So I'll put just D2L resources. And you can choose an icon if you wanted to. You can put in a description. In the URL, you can put the URL here. So just make sure that you put in the right URL, whether it's HTTP or HTTPS. So for this, I'm just going to put www.umb.ca/desire to learn. And then under the behavior here, you can have it open up in the same window. You can have it open up in the same window with no nav bar, or you can have it open up with a new window or a new tab. So maybe I'll select the new window, new tab, and you can set some width and height here. Browser attributes too, you can put in a menu bar and the toolbar. But the only thing I'm going to select, I guess, is the new window and tab, and I'm just going to press create. And we've got our Desire to Learn resources link created here. And so then we just scroll down and there's a save and close button right here. And so we just press that blue save and close. So as you can see up here, we still have the resources link here. It hasn't changed our nav bar. And the reason why is because the course 2013 nav bar is still the default. So what we have to do is just change it to this 2013 official nav bar copy. And so to do that, we just click on the little action button right here. And if we scroll down, the third one down on the list here is the course 2013 official nav bar copy. I select that and press apply, and then our nav bar changes. So we've got our course home, content, assessments, communication, and our new D2L resources link. And if I press that, you'll see it opens up here in a new window for me. So this concludes the tutorial on editing your nav bar in Desire to Learn.